Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see the quality of your reels and how you can improve it. So let's get right into it. And so some of the standards which are used to measure quality are pretty much how well the reel is put together. If it's well edited, of a high enough quality, then that is of course pretty much global for videos across the internet, but it also means that your reels are also high quality. Another thing that you can do, you can go ahead and go into reels, click on the camera in the top right, and you can go into templates and you can select any of these templates right over here. The templates are usually successful and have a lot of example reels which are doing successfully, so you can use some of them, and that might also improve your reels. Now, additionally, what you can do, you can go easily into your reels and see if there's a reel that uses a sound. And once you see sounds, and you can just scroll through the reels, and the sounds that appear most often are going to help you get higher quality reels, or at least reel in more viewers and more views. And yeah, you can use these sounds and check out the other reels that use these sounds also. If you click on the sound, you can see some suggestions and examples, and these are usually popular reels using that sound, and that can also give you a hint on how you can improve your reels through using that sound and what sort of the concept of the reels should be. But other than that, yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. There's really nothing else to mention. Other than that, it's pretty much a guessing game. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.